Hey guys, in this video I'm doing a look and I guess a review too as well using those brushes I featured in my Romwe haul. In the event that you missed the video, I will link it right here for you so you can check it out. Basically this is a makeup tutorial using only Romwe brushes or brushes from Romwe. I'm using that brush set with the rose gold and taupe handle, as well as the neon ones from Do Color. And you'll get to see my thoughts and everything. I did use ColourPop Lilac U a light palette for the look. It's just a bunch of purples. And I did put a pretty bright blue in the lower lash line. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do beauty, fashion, luxury, occasionally food, lifestyle, and travel videos. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again. Continue to stay subscribed. And if you are new, hopefully you'll stick around and subscribe so you can see all of my other content I have coming up in the future. For the look and review, keep watching. Starting off with my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer all over the eyes. Today I'm mainly going to be using, or probably only, using the ColourPop Lilac U a light palette, and I'm going to be testing out my brushes that I got from Romwe, the neon ones, as well as the rose gold taupe ones that look like this. Okay, so first I'm starting off with a crease brush. The one I'm using is this Do Color brush. It's the number one. It's a fluffy tapered brush, and the color I'm using is Ghostin'. I'm going to the crease with this for starters. I'm going down into the tear duct as well. Underneath the brow, dusting the same brush off, I'm taking Imagine That. Not sure how this is going to work yet. It might not be light enough, but it might be. It's good enough. Okay, for the lid, I'm taking this black eyeliner. Yeah, I'm going to take this black eyeliner. This is Feline Cold Power by MAC. It's a short stick now because I've used it a lot. I'm going to spread this all over the lid. Actually, this might be a little, this is not gonna work. I'm gonna use a black base. Some older eye color would work too. I just don't know what it is right now. This is the NYX Black Bean Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil. I'm spreading this over the lid only. And I'm gonna blend it out with another brush. It should wash out. Hopefully it washes out. I'm going to use that to blend it out. Oh no, I went into my crease while I wasn't looking. And this shouldn't stain because it's a synthetic brush. Just make sure you blend it out. You can use your finger too if you want. You can clean up around the eyes later. The color I'm taking on top is called Wake Me. I'm taking a flat brush this time. In that set there are only smaller ones. It's kind of annoying, but I'm gonna use it because I'm not gonna use any other brushes for this, as I promised. This is what it looks like. It's the biggest one. The biggest flat brush. And I'm packing this on top of that black. And as you can see, it creates like a bluish purple because it's a duochrome eyeshadow. I'm gonna leave the outer corner bare. Going back into the crease with Ghostin'. And into the tear duct. Now I'm going to take another tapered brush. I'm taking this darker color called Jiffy. And this is going to help, well, the black I apply underneath helps darken and intensifies the purple. These brushes are really good for the price. I'm impressed so far. I'm going into my crease to darken up the outer part a little. And then I'm going back into the pink I used in the crease, Ghostin', and I'm going around the edges of everything. And I'm taking that flat brush again and making sure everything is nice and blended. I'm gonna do the bottom now. For the bottom, I'm taking blue, just because I wanna. This is the Revlon So Fierce Vinyl Eyeliner in the shade Royal Rules. It looks exactly like this packaging. I may or may not need to sharpen this. I'm gonna see how far I can go. Wow, that's really bright. I'm gonna be as precise with this as possible. This is Cloud. Using that same brush I used to pack that color on my lid. This is going on the inner lash line. And I'm touching this up. Concealer next. This is one of those rose gold gray ones. Using that brush. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. Okay, I really like this brush. And it's angled, so it's gonna get around and in the inner corner easily. Oh yes, around those edges. Just add a little pop to the inner corner. I'm taking Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Gamma Ray. It's a blue. This is going on the inner corner, lower lash line. For the top liner, I'm taking black NYX Epic ink. So I applied the Baddington lashes. These are the Monroe 3D Silk lashes. They come in a package like this. It actually came in my FabFitFun box for this season. And this is what they look like. Very natural. I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara at the bottom because I did not do that yet. Actually, before I do that, I'm actually gonna do foundation. I'm mixing my Circle Color Balance liquid foundation with my NARS Natural Rated Longwear Foundation in Marquise's. I'm taking this really fluffy brush from the brush set and I'm mixing those two. Don't know how this is gonna apply foundation. We're gonna find out. Okay, so far so good. It's really fluffy, so it's gonna give you a more natural application. But you can build upon it layer after layer. Oh yeah, I actually really like this brush for this purpose. This is gonna be a tricky part, getting in between my brows with this big fluffy thing. Okay, not bad. Going underneath my eyes with the setting powder. This is my NYX HD Finishing Powder. It is translucent, as you all know. And this is another brush. This is pointier. Perfect for getting underneath that area. Really good, actually. Wow. I'm also going around the mouth to reduce excess shine. Now, I'm going to apply some mascara to the bottom. I want something different for highlighter today, so I'm going to grab something else. This is a Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is called, it's actually a Kilowatt Freestyle highlighter in Chills. It's like a bluish hue to it. It will complement the look perfectly. I'm taking this double-ended brush from the set. I'm going to grab this in here. This is actually perfect. It allows you to get in smaller areas, and it's still really fluffy, so it blends out nicely. Wow, forgot how pretty this was until now. Happen to do too much, go back with your foundation brush. I'm gonna take a smidge on my nose. I like those too. Let's continue. Okay, that's good. I'm actually gonna take a purple tone brush as my bronzer. Purple tone blush. This is Vintage Grape Blush Ombre by MAC. Kind of swirling those two together. I'm gonna apply that kind of as a bronzer and blush combo. Sweep it upwards. You can apply as much as you want. I tend to go heavier. For lips first, I'm going to blot off the excess lip balm I have going on here. I'm actually going to take a lipstick and a gloss, something I never do. This is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in Somebody to Love. Looks like a nude. Hopefully it is, because that's what I want. On top, I'm taking the NARS Multi-Use Gloss in Star Beige. It's very frosty and glittery. I'm taking this solely in the center, not all over. it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. These brushes are pretty awesome. Both sets. I didn't have any problems with any of the brushes. They all blended product very easily. They applied color very easily. And they're all very fluffy. And the flat ones perform like they should. Only negative side I have about the neon brush set from Do Color, I wish it did have a larger flat brush. That's really the only complaint I have. As far as performance, they're great. As far as price, is great. I will have links to both of these sets. There's a lot more than these. There's no way I could have used 20 brushes or however many are in both sets. But I will have both of them linked below for you, as well as a coupon code if I have one. Please rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any future videos that go live. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.